everyone. Hello Sunflowerians. How are you all? Hope you are good and fine. Yes, everyone. Okay. So today our topic is my country. We are going to learn about our country. Mera Desh. Okay, I will show you some of the pictures and you all have to learn from it. We will learn in a very playway method, okay? But first of all, everyone sit straight. Sit straight like this, everyone. I will start a presentation in which there will be some pictures of the country and we will discuss about it and take some educational tool. All right. So I'm showing you the presentation of India. And as you can see, there are 28 states. How many states are there in the country? Say everyone, 28 states. And there are 8 union territories. How many union territories are there? 8 union territories. Okay. This is the map of India in the world map. India is lying here. It is surrounded by China and Pakistan, Sri Lanka. You can see India in the middle of the map or the world map. Everyone can see? Okay. And the capital of India is New Delhi. What is the capital of India? New Delhi. Okay. India is the 7th largest country in the world. पूरे वर्ल्ड में इंडिया 7th largest है in terms of its area. Okay. This is the capital of India. Delhi is the capital of India. And you can see there are 2 main monuments in the Delhi. What are they? The left one is, what it is? India Gate. What it is? It is India Gate. And the right one is Red Fort. What it is? Red Fort. Okay. Now, okay, there are many people of different religions living in India. We all are living together. Who are they? Hindu, Muslim, Sikh, and Isai. They are the 4 main religions in our country. As you can see, the left one is Sikh, the one in the turban. Blue color is a Sikh person. The right one is Hindu. The right one is again in the green is a Muslim. And the one in the right is, this is a Christian. So we all live together in the country in harmony and peace. Okay? So we should always live together with love and respect. We must have respect for every religion, right? Okay, the next, here you can see this person is the President of India. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind. Please say everyone loudly, the President of India. Ramnath Kovind. Who is the President of India? Ramnath Kovind ji. He is the 14th President of India. Now, the Prime Minister of India. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Tell me. Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. Who is the Prime Minister of India? Shri Narendra Damodar Das Modi. He is the 18th Prime Minister of India. Okay. So in the map, you can see there are 28 states of different colors and 8 union territories. Okay, this is yoga. Everyone, what is this? Yoga. India is a country where yoga has originated. इंडिया वो कंट्री है जिसमें सबसे पहले योगा किया गया था और यहीं से ही योगा का ओरिजिन हुआ है. ऑल्सो हमारे देश में 21 जून को योगा डे सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. On every 21st of June, Yoga Day is celebrated. What is the national flag of India? As you all can see here, this is the national flag of India, a tricolor flag called Tiranga. The three colors here represent the colors saffron, white, and green. What are the three colors in the national flag? Say everyone. Saffron, white, and green. The circle here represent the chakra. What it is called? Everyone? It is called chakra, Ashoka chakra. Everyone can see this chakra has 24 spokes. How many spokes are there in the chakra? 24. And all the spokes represent the 24 hours of a day. Each spoke is represented by 1 hour. So this Ashok Chakra is our the national flag is called Tiranga. See everyone, who is the national animal of India? Say tiger. You all love tiger? See, he is such a strong and forceful animal. The tiger is the national animal of India. And you know everyone, India is the only country where maximum number of tigers are found. There are around 3,000 tigers in our country, and which represent 70% of the total tigers in the world. So we are so grateful and happy that maximum number of tigers is in our country. Also, the government of India has also started the initiative to protect the tigers, and the movement is called as Save Tiger. So we have to save our tigers because he is the national animal of our country. National bird of India. Who is the national bird of India? Peacock. Who is the national bird of India? Say everyone. Peacock. Very good everyone. Peacock is the national bird of India. See everyone, this colorful bird has 3 major colors. What are they? Violet, green, and brown. So, national flower of India. What is the national flower of India? Lotus. See everyone, this is a beautiful pink color flower which is called as national flower of India. And you know everyone, why it is the national flower of our country? Because it has so many benefits. It has so many benefits. You know, every single thing of this flower is very beneficial for us. Its leaves, its stems, we get makhana from the stems, and from its roots, what we get from the roots? It is the vegetable called as kamal kakdi. So because of this, this is our national flower of India. So everyone, what is the national flower of India? Lotus. Well done. What is the national fruit of India? It's a yummy fruit which is called as mango. Mango is the national fruit of India. It is very delicious and healthy also. National tree of India. What is the national tree? It's banyan tree. It's a banyan tree. You know, this tree has so many advantages. It is a very strong tree and it protects us from all the kind of natural calamities and disasters like earthquake. Now, we are next starting with the state. One of the states we are going to learn today. And what is the name of the state that we are going to learn is Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir. What is the capital of Jammu and Kashmir? So this is a place where we have two capitals. First is Srinagar, which is a capital in summers, and another one is Jammu, which is the capital in winters. So what is the capital of Kashmir? It's Srinagar in summers and Jammu in winters. So, who is the founder of Kashmir? You know that Ashoka, the great emperor Ashoka, has founded the Kashmir in 14th century, and also the national emblem of India called as this Ashok's thumb is named after the great emperor Ashoka. And you know what? The Kashmir is famous for a very long railway tunnel. It's called Pir Panjal. Pir Panjal is a railway tunnel which is around 11 kilometers length. Okay, so the famous thing in Jammu and Kashmir is the Pir Panjal railway tunnel. The traditional dress. Wow, this is a beautiful traditional dress of Kashmir. What it is called? What it is called? It is called Poots and Fairan. The traditional dress of Kashmir is Poots and Fairan. So, this is the traditional dance of Kashmir. What is the traditional dance of Kashmir? Rauf. Okay, these are the two very traditional foods and drink of Kashmir. What are they called? Kahwa. This is the famous food of Kashmir called kahwa.